Good morning, Senior 2. Good morning, my friend. Our lesson today is talking about solution of triangle. Again, our lesson today of what? Of trig. And this one is talking about the solution of the triangle. So if I have a triangle and I need to solve the triangle, what is the meaning of the solution of the triangle? It means you need to find the length of the three sides. You need to find the length of the three sides and the measure of the three angles. So the solution of triangle, it means you need the length of the three sides and the measure of the three angles. You will depend here over all the rules you studied them before in trigonometry. You will depend on what? You will depend on the sine rule. What is the sine rule? If you have here A capital and B capital and C capital, يبقى A small is the side opposite to the angle A, and B small is the side opposite to the angle B, and C small is the side opposite to the angle C. So we can use here, firstly, if we have side and angle opposite to that, side and angle opposite to that. But this one is equal what? If I have A small over sine of angle A capital equal B small over sine of angle B capital equal C small over sine of angle C capital. Again, we will make what? We will make A small over sine of angle A capital and B small over sine of angle B capital and C small over sine of angle C capital. So you will make each side over the sine of the angle if you have here that. If you have side length and the opposite angle. So if you have side and angle opposite to this, so this one it equals sine rule. You will depend on sine rule. We have another rule, it's called by cosine rule. Cosine rule is said what? If I have two sides, the length of the two sides and the measure of the included angle. Again, if you have the length of the two sides and the measure of the included angle, like here, I have A, B, C. So I have here that A small is unknown, and you gives me that the two other sides, A, B small and C small, you can find here the length of the third side. How I can find A squared, ya shabab? We can say that senior to A squared is equal, it's equals what? B squared plus C squared minus 2BC. Cosine angle between them, it means cosine of angle A. So if you need angle A, here you have here angle A, so you will make that A small is equal, A squared is equal B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine of angle A. But if I need to find B small squared is equal what? You will make here the two other sides squared, it means A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine of angle between them, it means the cosine of the angle B. And as we said before, if you have here A small, here I have A capital. If I have B small, I have here B capital. Okay? And here we have that. If we talk about if I have here C small, so I make that C small is equal what? It equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine of angle between them, it means cosine of angle what? Cosine of angle C. If I need to find the measure of the angle, if I need the measure of the angle, what will make in this case, ya shabab? We said that if I have triangle is ABC and I need the measure of the angle A. So cosine of angle A is equal what? I said that cosine of angle A capital is equal that the two other sides, it means B small plus C small. So you will make here B small plus C small and both of them is squared as Pythagoras. You bend here on Pythagoras theorem, like something like Pythagoras theorem. So we have here that we will make power 2 for the both sides and minus for A small over what? Over 2BC. Now if I need cosine of angle B, cosine of angle B is equal what? Cosine of angle B is equal A squared plus C squared minus B squared over 2AC. So again, if we have here that cosine of angle A, then B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. طب if I need cosine of beta equal a squared plus c squared minus b squared over 2ac. طب if I need cosine of angle c capital, we will make what? يبقى دي equal a squared plus b squared minus the opposite angle, the side opposite to the angle, it means c squared over 2ab. So we depend on that rule if we have the lengths of the three sides. يبقى if I have the lengths of the three sides, I will depend on what? I will depend on the cosine rule by the shape. Here we can work with all type of these rules except one case. This case we call it by the first case. If we have that, shabab, he gives me two sides and the angle is not included between them. So if he gives me the triangle is ABC, if I have a triangle, this triangle is called by ABC. And in this triangle ABC, he gives me two givens, A small and B small. He gives me the two sides, A small and B small. So he gives me the length of the two sides here, A small and B small. And he gives me that this is A capital, I know that this is B, this is C. So he gives me the measure of the angle A. He gives me what? He gives me the measure of the angle A. So he gives me here two sides and the angle is not included. Again, he gives me here two sides and the angle here is not included between them. So I can't working with the sine rule. I can't working with the sine rule. I can't working with the cosine rule. So what we will do in this case, shabab? Firstly, we have two main types. We have acute angle. I have acute angle triangle, and I have here the right angle, and obtuse angle. So we have two main types of triangle. We working over them. The two main types here is acute angle triangle, and the right angle and obtuse angle. Firstly, I will talking about the right angle and obtuse angle. In the right angle and in the obtuse angle, ya shabab, in the right angle and in the obtuse angle, if you have that, the side which opposite to the angle is smaller, if you have the side A small is less than B small, okay, you can say that we can't draw any triangle. So if the side which opposite to the angle, is smaller than the side opposite for the angle, if this one is less than what? Is less than the other side. If I have the side which opposite to the angle is less than the other side, we can't draw a triangle. So the number of triangles here is equal what, senior, to the number of triangles in this case is equal 0. The number of triangles in this case is equal 0. If the side of A opposite to the angle is smaller than the other side, so we have here 0 triangle. But if I have the side which opposite to the angle is greater than or equal to B. If I have the side which opposite to the angle is greater than or equal to B, so we can say that here we can draw one triangle. One triangle only. Why, shabab? Because in the first case, if I draw here the side which opposite to the angle is smaller, if I have this angle is A and the side opposite here, I can complete the triangle. So if A small here is smaller than the other side, I can draw a triangle. But if I have A is equal to B, so what we have in this case, if I have A equal to B, so I have here, I can draw right angle triangle. But if A is greater than B, we can say that we can draw obtuse angle triangle. Again, is here too. If I have right angle triangle or obtuse angle triangle, and I have that the side which opposite to the angle is greater than the other side, the side opposite to the angle is greater than the other side, so we can say that here too, we can't draw any triangle. Our side opposite to the angle smaller. If the side is smaller, this one can't draw triangle because this one is smaller than the other side, B. يبقى لو انا عندي السايد opposite to the angle is smaller than the other side, يبقى 0. طب if I have the side is greater than or equal, يبقى I can draw here senior to, I can draw one triangle. If I have equal, this triangle is right. Now if I have this side is greater than B, if I have here that this side, it gives me obtuse angle triangle. The second case, if we have acute angle triangle, and we have in the acute angle triangle 4 cases. What is the 4 cases? If I have A is smaller than B or equal. If you have A small is smaller than or equal to B, the side which opposite to the angle is less than the other side, so we can't draw triangle else. If I have يا شباب the side which opposite to the angle is smaller than the other side, zero triangle. Zero triangle. I can't draw any triangle. If I have A small is smaller than the other side, لو عندي side that is smaller than the other side lower B, we can't draw any triangle. Why? Because we can't close the triangle by this shape. If I have A small is smaller than the other side, I can't draw this triangle by this shape. لو أنا عندي side the opposite angle is smaller than any other side, we can't draw any triangle. طب if I have here that, and the side here is what is equal to the height. طب what is the height? Firstly, I need to calculate the height. What is the height? It's equal B small times sine angle A. Again, if you need the height, what is the height senior to? The height here is equal the other side times sine A. Again, what is the height? The height here is equal B small times sine A. The height here is equal B small times sine angle A. It means the other side times sine angle. But if I have this height, what we have in this case? If you have the height is greater than A small, if you have the height is greater than A small, we can't draw any triangle. If I have the height is greater than A small, we can't draw any triangle. You said for me have, because we have here that, look, I have here, this is side, is called by B small, and I have here, this is the height, and A small is smaller than the height. So here in this case, if you have the height is greater than A small, it means A small is less than the height. يعني A small is smaller than the height, يبقى this one zero triangle. If you have this shape, I have zero triangle. Now height is greater, it means A is smaller, height is greater than A small, يبقى zero triangle. طب if I have the height is what? If I have the height is equal to A small. If you have the height is equal to A small, if I have here one triangle only, it's equal right angle triangle. If I have the height is equal to A small, this triangle is equal what? Height equal to A small. This triangle is only one triangle, and this triangle is right. If I have here that we have the height is equal to the side opposite to the angle. So we have here what? Only one triangle. Only one triangle. If the height equal to A small, I can find one triangle only. The angle height is equal to the what? Is equal to the side opposite to the angle. If I have here one triangle only. But if I have here that I have the height is smaller than A small and smaller than B. It means A is between height and A. If a height is between B is smaller than A small and B small, so we can say that we can draw here two triangles. Again, if I have the height is equal to this side, we can draw here two triangles on. We can draw here what? We can draw here two triangles. So again, if you have the height is less than A and less than B, if I have here two triangles. What is the two triangles يا شباب? The two triangles here. One of them is acute and the other one is what? Is obtuse. How we can draw them? Again, look with me with this case very careful. If you have the height is smaller than A, smaller than B. Again, you have the height is smaller than A, it means the side opposite to the angle. The side opposite to the angle is smaller than what? B, what is B? It's the second side. We have here two cases يا شباب. The first case have this triangle by this shape? You have here A, and this is A small, and this is B. Or maybe you have here this shape. You have here B, and this is the what? Here is the height, and you have here A small. So you can draw this shape two triangles. If I have the height is smaller, يبقى this one it gives me two triangles. لو أنا عندي height is smaller, I can draw here two triangles. One of them is obtuse angle, and the other one is what? Acute angle. يبقى if you have here that is in your two, you have the height is smaller than the two other side by this order. The side or height is smaller than the side A and B. يبقى I have here two cases. I can draw in this case two triangles. يبقى again we make a revision over that. If I have A is smaller than or equal to B, if A is smaller than or equal to B, يبقى we have here what? If I have A is smaller than or equal to B, يبقى this one is equal one triangle only. يبقى this one if I have A is smaller than or equal B, يبقى we can draw here one triangle only. يبقى if A is smaller than B or equal, يبقى I have here one triangle only. Again, we said that if A is smaller than B, يبقى we can draw here one triangle only. So if I have here that, if I have A is smaller than the height, if A is smaller than the height, so we have here what? We have here zero triangle. Zero triangle. But if A is smaller than B, we have here only one triangle. Now if I have A is smaller than H, if I have zero triangle, because you have here that if the height is greater than the A, so you have here that zero triangle in this case. Now if I have 3, I have A is equal to what? I have A is equal to the height. I have A is equal to the height. If I have here that one triangle only, and this triangle is right. But if I have A is greater than H and greater than less than B, if I have here two triangles, and the two triangles, one of them is A obtuse, and the other one is what? Is acute angle by this shape. Okay? This is the conclusion of this rule. This is the conclusion of this rule. طب how I can find this one by easy way يا شباب؟ يعني if you give me this example and I need to find the number, here we have what? I need the number of the triangles if I have this case by easy way. So we will make what's in your 2, look with me. If I give you the A small is equal 6 centimeter, and I have B small is equal 8 centimeter, and I have measure of angle A is equal 30. So we can solve that by another way يا شباب. How we can solve that? We will use cosine rule. We will make A squared is equal what? The side which opposite to the angle is equal B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine of angle what? Cosine of angle A. So we will use this rule. We will make A squared is equal B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine of angle A. We will make substitution. 6 power 2 is equal 36. This one is equal. B squared it means 64 plus C power 2 minus 2B is equal 8 times C is equal what? C is equal. Unknown. It comes down as it is. And I have here cosine of angle A is equal root 3 over 2. But if I will make simplifying here, I will multiply 2 by 8 or I will cancel this with this. If I have here that 36 is equal 64 plus C squared minus 8 root 3C. But if I need to put all of them in one direction, if I C squared minus 8 root 3C, I will send in this one to here. If I do 64 minus 36, if this one is equal what? C. But 64 minus 36, this one is equal what? If I C power 2 minus 8 root 3 C plus 48, and all of that is equal what? Is equal 0. So what we'll make in this case is senior 2. We will make factorization or solve it by the general formula. Here we can find that if you solve this one, you find here two solutions. So see here, if you make it by the law, So C is equal what? C is equal 11.4, or you can find C is equal 2.456. So if you find C by this shape, so you have here two solutions. If you will have this one by this shape, I can find here two solutions. So if you have two solutions by this shape, I have two triangles. So you will working over one triangle is acute angle triangle, and the other one, if you have C by this shape, it equal what? Obtuse angle triangle. You will continue with the sine rule and cosine rule, and after that you will finish the problem. Okay? So if you need to know the type of the triangle according to the sides by this shape, I can working with the cosine rule, put the given side which opposite to the angle A here, and we will have after that the solution of the equation. You will find the value of C. If you have two solutions by this shape, look with me. If you have for C, C1 and C2, so you have here two triangles. So if I have C, it gives me negative. So this one gives me what? 5, and the number of triangles in this case is equal what? Is equal 0. Now if I have one value for C, if I have here one number, and this is the reason. Okay? Thank you, senior 2. I will see you tomorrow, inshallah. Bye bye.